Materials efficiency is a term commonly used today to describe the increasingly important practice of reducing waste and achieving more with less in manufacturing processes. Raw materials account for 30 to 80% of the cost of making products. It's one of the biggest, if not the biggest, expense for our local manufacturers. Wasted or unused materials is lost revenue. Simply put, it's money down the drain. But the good news is that there are many ways to improve materials efficiency by as much as 20 to 50%. And these savings can be achieved with a return on investment of 2 years or less. In this film, we will explore 2 Victorian manufacturing businesses which have been successful in doing just that.
EGOPRInt's a high-end sheet-fed offset printer. We employ around about 50 people. We're located in Mount Waverley, which is about half an hour from Melbourne CBD. Our main specialties are UV printing, do security printing, magazine printing, general commercial printing, and we have a large component of packaging as part of our suite of services as well. It's a very competitive market we're in, so what we've tried to do is look at ways that we can improve internally, where we go about our operations. Rather than sort of measure things ourselves, what we thought we'd do is get a professional organisation in, and they came in and did basically an audit on our systems and processes to identify any areas they could see where we could improve. The whole idea being that if we can improve that, then that would have an impact on our bottom line. The main 2 areas we identified were waste, in particular our chemical waste. We're a quality assured company, so as part of our accreditation, we're always looking to improve, in particular, waste disposal and our purchases of chemicals. Those 2 areas were where we identified some possible savings could be made. From the results of the audit, there was probably a 20% saving. Financially, that could equate to $100,000 to $200,000 per annum. The payback period on the program has actually surprised us. Generally speaking, if you invest in heavy machinery, which is what our business generally has to do, the payback period can range from 7 to 10 years. In this instance, we're looking at a 2 to 3 year payback period, which is quite a short time frame when all's said and done. The materials efficiency program has really opened up our eyes to the possibilities of other things in the business that we could improve on. There's certainly a number of things we've identified as potential future changes to be made. I think all businesses can become more material efficient. I'd recommend other companies to get involved in programs such as these.
Every business uses materials. If you think about it, if you're a service-based business or a manufacturer, there's something of a physical nature going into a business. And generally there are ways to do that more efficiently. Bringing in auditors can bring fresh eyes to operations and potentially that external and customer perspective. The thing that we talk to businesses about is the savings that they can make from projects, from things like materials efficiency. If you think about that in terms of what sales they would need to achieve to get the same amount of profit from that saving, it can put things into perspective.